In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Drive folder with others. First, open Google Drive in your browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct account you want to use for sharing. On the Drive homepage, you'll notice the Google Apps icon in the top right. That's a quick way to jump between Google services if you need it. On the home screen, Drive may show suggested folders. If the folder you want to share appears there, you can select it right away for a faster start. If you don't see it, head to My Drive to view your full list of folders and files. Open My Drive and if necessary, open it again to expand any nested folders until you locate the one you want to share. Select the folder so it's highlighted. Then click the three dots, also called More Actions. From this menu, choose Share. This opens the sharing window where you control who gets access and what they can do. Let's start with link sharing. In the Get Link section, change the access from restricted to anyone with the link. Confirm that selection. Now use the permission drop-down next to the link setting and choose the level you want. Commenter allows people to leave comments without editing the actual files, which is a safe default if you want feedback without changes. Next, let's add specific people. In the Add People and Groups field, type the email address of the person you want to invite. Once their address appears, open the permission drop-down beside their name and select the level that fits. Viewer means they can see the contents but not change anything. It's ideal for sharing read-only resources. Commenter lets them leave feedback, while editor grants full editing power. Reserve that for trusted collaborators. You can include a short message to give context, like what the folder contains or what you'd like them to review, and decide whether to notify them by email. When everything looks right, click Share to send the invitation and apply the link settings. You should now see the person listed in the sharing panel, confirming they have access. If you ever need to double check, you can open the share window again to review names and permissions. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Use viewer or commenter